You do, Lux? Deaf as a post, poor old Lux. Hey, what are you doing, mate? What are you doing? Hey, come on. He's 17 now, old Lucky. Yeah, don't like being outside much anymore. I think he's gone a bit mutton. He doesn't feel very safe out here. He got attacked by some dogs out the front of the garden 2 or 3 years ago. I don't really think he's forgotten it, and it really shook him up. But he was alright. But he really doesn't like being outside, especially when it's not particularly nice weather. So he's always wanting to get back in. I do think it's because he feels like safer. Don't you, mate? Alright, I suppose we better let him in. Come on then, you. In you go.